What I like about the Technology Catalogue is the way they approach the market and also the experience they have within their teams. I found that being proactive in this market, and that's something that the Technology Catalogue does very well, it also understands the market and it understands that the daily pressures of companies like ours have to reach out to prospective clients. And I think the Technology Catalogue, the way they do this, offers much confidence to me as the end user. I think the way they've approached the market is quite unique, and I've had quite a lot of I would say response from around the world of interest in our business. So I will continue to work with the Technology Catalogue, both in the UK with Colin Black, but also with Vincent and his team in the Netherlands. So a big thank you from A3D and me. Cheers.